Hey there, folks. If you're looking to transfer money from your PNC bank account to Venmo in 2025, you're in the right place. With the latest updates to banking apps, this process has become even smoother and more secure. Whether you're splitting dinner costs with friends or sending a quick gift, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your PNC bank account online or via their app. This is crucial for verification. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Venmo app and head to the menu, usually represented by 3 lines or a profile icon in the top corner. From there, tap on Settings, and then select Banks and Cards or Payment Methods. This is where you'll link your bank accounts. Now, Step 2. Choose the option to add a bank account. You'll be prompted to search for PNC Bank from the list of available institutions. Select it, and Venmo will guide you through a secure connection process, often using Plaid or a similar service to link directly. Once linked, Step 3. Verify your account. This might involve entering a small test deposit amount that PNC sends to Venmo, or you may need to confirm via your PNC app. Don't skip this, it's for your security. After verification, Step 4. To deposit money, go back to the main screen in Venmo. Tap the payment icon, and select Transfer Money. Choose your PNC account as the source, enter the amount you want to transfer, and hit Send. In 2025, you might notice faster transfer times, often instant for verified users. A quick tip. Keep an eye out for any fees. PNC or Venmo might charge a small amount for instant transfers, so check your app settings first. Also, if you run into issues like failed links, double-check that your PNC account is active and that you're using the correct login details. And there you have it. That's how you deposit money from PNC Bank to Venmo in 2025. It's quick, easy, and perfect for on-the-go finances. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and money tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.